one good test, if it'll even stay upright, is to try to ghost ride the whip.
Ghost ride the whip, ghost ride the whip, ghost ride the whip, ghost ride the whip, ghost ride the whip.
I should have worn gloves, damn it. Hello again YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. This video is part 4 in the Recumbent bike build series. If you haven't seen parts 1 through 3 yet, I'll link up to those here, as well as in the description below, so definitely check those out if you're interested in this build. If you have seen those videos, definitely smash that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Alright, enjoy. Alright, so I'd like to mention one thing. I know I could have put 2 wheels on the back and made it a trike, and obviously my stability would have been a lot better. I'm trying my best to try to ride it without using the handlebars. I really am confident that I can steer this. I just need to develop the balance. So that's going to take a little bit of time, but I'm very confident that I can ride this with 2 wheels. I don't think it needs to be a trike. And I really only have the handlebars there for extra stability. I'm really going to try to steer and pedal without having to hold on to the bars. Alright, hope you guys are enjoying this. See if I can get this thing to go. If I had training wheels, I'd probably be able to ride this better. No, I would be able to ride it with training wheels. Really also fighting just to stay upright. Alright, so I was unsuccessful in my first attempt at... Alright, we've come to the end of the video now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did, go down, smash that like button, subscribe for more. I hope this video series has inspired you and given you ideas for your own DIY bike build. Just definitely go out and build something. See what you can build out of trash. I'm still trying to develop the balance required in order to ride this. I really want to keep it 2 wheels. I know the stability will be a lot better with 3. I can build a trike, yes, obviously. I don't want to do that. I want this to work. I just need to develop the balance. So I'm going to be working on the balance. I don't know how long it's going to take me. I don't want to put training wheels on it. So, you know, I need to relearn to ride a bicycle. Or whatever this is. So yeah. Bicycle, 2 wheels. I will learn to ride this. It's going to take time though. So with that, have fun, keep building, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.